Are you considering Airtable for your business? Before you make that decision, there are 12 crucial things you need to know about it. We'll break down the pros and cons so you can make an informed decision, and we'll also compare it to its competitors. First, let's talk about flexibility. Airtable is incredibly versatile. It's not just a database, it's a powerful project management tool. However, unlike other more traditional accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero, Airtable requires a bit more manual setup. If you're looking for something with instant accounting features out of the box, Airtable may not be your first choice. The second thing is pricing. Airtable offers a free plan, which sounds appealing, but its paid plans can get expensive fast, especially if you need advanced features. Compared to something like Zoho Books, which offers more affordable pricing for small businesses, Airtable can feel a bit heavy on the wallet. Next, integrations. Airtable integrates with a ton of apps, which is a huge plus. Whether it's Google Workspace, Slack, or Zapier, Airtable makes it easy to connect with your existing tools. But if you're relying on specific accounting features, like tax filing or payroll, you might find the integrations aren't as deep as what you get with dedicated accounting software, like FreshBooks or Xero. The fourth thing is ease of use. Airtable is known for its clean, drag-and-drop interface, making it easier for teams to collaborate and track tasks. That being said, if you're looking for straightforward accounting workflows, you might be overwhelmed by Airtable's flexibility. Accounting software like QuickBooks is designed to handle specific tasks without as much customization needed. The fifth point, customization. Airtable's customization options are both its strength and its weakness. While it allows you to design the system that works for your business, this can also lead to complexity. In contrast, something like Wave or FreeAgent offers more streamlined solutions for those who just want an easy-to-use platform for accounting. Another important consideration is the learning curve. While Airtable is generally user-friendly, if you're coming from traditional accounting software, there might be a learning curve involved. Accounting platforms like Xero or QuickBooks are built to be familiar for users accustomed to traditional accounting, making the switch easier for some. Now let's talk about automation. Airtable can automate tasks and workflows with the help of Zapier, which is useful for saving time. However, automation within Airtable itself is somewhat limited compared to dedicated accounting platforms like Zoho Books or QuickBooks that offer built-in automation features, such as recurring invoices or automatic tax calculations. The seventh point is reporting. While Airtable can generate reports through its customizable views, it's not as robust in this area as competitors like Xero or QuickBooks, which offer in-depth financial reporting right out of the box. If detailed financial insights are crucial for your business, Airtable might not be enough on its own. Next up is security. Airtable offers enterprise-grade security features, including two-factor authentication and encryption, which is a positive. However, if you need very specific accountant-focused security protocols, you might want to consider QuickBooks, which has more specialized compliance measures for financial data. Now let's talk about scalability. Airtable is ideal for small to medium-sized businesses, but may become cumbersome as you grow. For larger companies, something like QuickBooks Enterprise or NetSuite might offer more specialized features and better scalability as your business expands. The 10th thing is customer support. Airtable has decent customer support, but when compared to its accounting-focused competitors like QuickBooks or FreshBooks, you might find that it lacks the deep accounting knowledge and specialized support you need for more complex financial issues. The 11th thing to note is mobile app performance. Airtable's mobile app is useful, but it's not as intuitive or feature-packed as other accounting apps, like Xero's mobile version, which allows for easier invoicing and financial tracking on the go. Finally, Airtable's collaboration features. This is where Airtable shines. Its ability to bring teams together and streamline project management, data tracking, and sharing makes it a top choice for collaborative work. However, for pure accounting tasks, you'll find software like QuickBooks more aligned with financial workflows. In conclusion, Airtable is a great tool, but it's not